Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix this problem of 8-ball pool not logging in using Facebook. So currently 8-ball pool, if you open it and you try logging in using Facebook, it will keep on crashing. It will say it can't log in or log in, log out, or contact the developer. So this feature is currently being worked on and few people have access to it, so you can't log in using Facebook at the moment, and I'm going to show you the best way to log in. And you know, Facebook is is not that secure, but the best way to log in is using Google Play. So if I use Google Play to log in, it will log in and my data will be kept safe. So at the moment you can log in using Facebook, you can log in using Google Play Store, or play as a guest. If you play as a guest, the app won't keep your data. It won't keep your data, so whatever you do on the app, it will be kinda for nothing. Then the best way to do this is logging in using Google Play, because if I use Facebook, the app will keep on, bringing a notification. You can't log in using Facebook at the moment. It will keep crashing. Log in, log out. You see the notification it brings. So all you do is log in using Google Play Store or Google Play or your email. So you just place on Google Play and it will bring my email. So all I do is place on continue, and you see I would have logged in. You see here they say welcome. So this shows that I've logged into 8-ball pool. Right now I can play the game and my data will be saved. So where I stop is where I will start from. That's the easiest way to log into 8-ball pool at the moment. It's the easy fix and it's the best way, because your email is more secure compared to Facebook. Though they sell your data at some point, but your email is more secure compared to Facebook. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and see you next time.